To update your Anubhav application, go to Library, find the Anubhav app, click the 3 dots in the corner. You can either click Update from here or click on the See Details and update from here. Click Update and wait for the update to finish. It might take some time. After the update is finished, you can use the app as usual. You can see the app is being installed. App is installed. Now you can start the app from here, or click here. We are going to start from here. That's it. Your application is ready to use.